Hey, Ralphie cat. Ralphie. There you are. Oh, it's the day after the hurricane. Ralphie cat is outside. She loves hanging out. She's an indoor-outdoor cat. She's a real mush, as you can tell. Aren't you? Aren't you a real mush, Ralphie? So when we got Ralphie cat, we couldn't tell if she was a male cat or a female cat. And turns out she was a female cat. But we kept her with the name Ralphie. She's cute. Check her out. She might look big in this, but she is tiny. She's just a runt to the litter. She never grew. Look at her. Ow. Ralphie cat. You got my foot, Ralphie? Ow. 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 Oh, Ralph. Oh. Ralphie's getting vicious. Ralph, take it easy. Ow. Ralph the cat can get a little frisky. Can't you, Ralph? Yeah, but you love your dad. What you looking at, Ralph? She'll hang with me. She'll come over here and check out what's going on. Ralph, let's see. Oh, it's gonna plop down. Ralph, let's see what's going on over here. Come on. All right. Ralph is a loyal little kitty. She is. She's a good cat. She's a little hunter. Call her my little murder machine. And, she's your typical cat. Love me when I want to be loved. Don't touch me when I don't want to be touched. But she's pretty mushy. As you can see, she's all over me. She loves her dad. She'll follow me around, too. I mean, just to show you. Okay, Ralph. Oh, I'm just going to plop down again. And she's a little frisky. Let's see if she'll follow me. Come on, Ralphie. Come on, Ralph. Come on, girl. Come on, Ralphie. Let's go where there's some shade. Oh, good girl. Right. Ralph likes to hang out under here. There's a lot of shade. And she's got a friend that lives in this apartment right here. Ralphie hunts back here. And she likes to sit in this corner where the little piece of trash is. All right, Ralph, you want to say goodbye? What do you think, Ralph? I think it's time to go home, Ralph. What do you think? Oh, looks like Ralph's gonna roll around. She'll probably follow me. Or not. Adios, Ralph. I'll see you later.